And now we have a brand new tool which is called Fotor AI and is used to create amazing AI avatars. Sounds good, right? Well, to begin, all you have to do is simply sign in. You can continue using your Google account. Alright, once we're in the account, we have these two options, from text or from image. Firstly, we're gonna try the from image option, and here we can select our image. So I'm gonna select Elon Musk for our first image, and here we can select a style. For example, we have Disney 2, and then we can click on the generate button. And as you can clearly tell, we have a very nice Disney style looking image of Elon Musk from our original image. As we compare, we can open this up, we can download this and do a lot of other things here. You can look around these options. And now let's try some other image. For example, we have Ronaldo here. What would happen if we choose Ronaldo instead of Messi? Well, you might be thinking maybe a different style would create a different result. So let's go ahead and try Disney 1 as compared to we had Disney 2 before. And now let's generate this one. And again, we have gotten some solid results by using this tool. Here we have an image of Ronaldo turned completely into Disney style, as you can clearly see here. Now we can go ahead and try one last image we have here of Robert Pattinson. And here we have a nice Disney style image of Robert Pattinson. And this is pretty much how you use this tool and their image option to generate images by AI. And now we can also try the from text option and generate some images using the text prompts. So I'm gonna go ahead with Elon Musk, but I need a Disney version of that. Let's see how that looks like. We can select any model for that. We're gonna go with M2 Stable because that is smarter according to this website. So make sure to select that one. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to keep that 4:3 as that is the standard for uploading on social media. And then you can select either of the styles. I'm going to go with Neon Punk as I prefer that one. And then click on the generate button. Do note that each image generation takes about 2 credits and you have 8 credits in total for a free account. So be careful of that when you're generating images. As you can see clearly, we have gotten some Neon Punk inspired artwork of Elon Musk in the Disney style. Isn't that amazing? We didn't even have to give it a very specified prompt. We just gave it a very basic one instead. And even then, we have some very much usable results. I mean, look at that artwork. It looks so stunning. Isn't that so good? Like, every single detail is present and you can download it and save it on your computer and then upload it anywhere you would like. We could also try something else. For example, I'm gonna go with picture style artwork this time, but I want Cristiano Ronaldo as an inspiration and the football, of course. And now we have gotten some amazing results from this website once again, and this time we have Neon Punk inspired Cristiano Ronaldo. Tell me if that does not look really amazing. Let us know down in the comments what do you think of this new app. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you should definitely check out this video. Thanks for watching.